watch this city awaken.
Reckon this town truly stirs at night.
First off, the grub. These night markets, they're buzzing with folks and endless wonders.
And the entertainment.
Then these grand old places, lit up brighter than any campfire you ever saw.
This city at night is a sight to remember.
All right, our friend found an urban oasis, and wow.
They're saying nature actually thrives here, like right next to the skyscrapers.
And seriously, from tranquil paths lined with the most gorgeous flowers to lively spots where everyone just chills out.
Oh, and yes, it's super pet friendly.
But what actually blew them away were these serene ponds, packed with stunning lily pads and blooming lotus flowers.
Hold on, Bangkok's seriously wild. Look at these epic skylines and the super busy rivers.
And the waterfront? But it's not just the views. Every single corner holds something unique, like some incredible art installations.
And these malls, they're totally next level.
Even the tiny humans are out here living their best adventure.
Honestly, Bangkok has completely captured our friend's heart.
Our friends exploring city nights. From neon-lit malls to ancient rhythms, these nights are truly alive, believe it or not. And then our friends stumbled upon these traditional dances. Honestly, breathtaking.
Just when you think it's over, the city lights outside just take over. Seriously, look at this glow.
Okay, check out where our friend ended up.
It's like a futuristic art gallery and interactive experience all rolled into one. From stunning underwater photography to giant whale shark displays, the visuals are just insane.
And the art? It's everywhere. These incredible sculptures and installations really make a person wonder. The architecture itself is a masterpiece, especially this giant living tree-like structure.
But the real star? This one massive glowing sphere displaying a whole Nextopia world. It's mind-blowing.